I was highly skeptical when I first met Steve. I was highly skeptical that it would solve the problem because my yard was really wet in the back. But Steve came out and in a matter of a couple of weeks, they put it in, and that was 8 years ago. That product has done incredibly well for me. The kids, the grandkids are always out on the weekends playing on the back lawn in the summer. It is no longer wet. So that when Steve came to me with this new product, it was a no-brainer to listen to him because Steve has credibility with me. My name is Dan Clark. I live in Bentleyville, Ohio, and I've been a resident here for about 13 years.
So when I first met Dan, he called me out to look at his backyard for excessive water problems, a muddy lawn. So we met and we had a consultation. I brought him samples and was able to earn his trust and sell that job. That job went really well, went on time, on schedule, and as planned with no hiccups, which helps the relationship. Ever since then, he's had me back every couple years to extend the turf in his yard, which led into the Mow Lines. And as far as this space we're in, it just was the perfect spot. Like, it lended itself to the product. It was just one of those things where it just happened. And Dan's the type of guy who likes quality. He likes good people, good contractors. So it was a good fit all the way around.
When Steve first showed me the product in a picture, I thought, well, I don't know whether that's going to work or not, but I really did. As I said before, Steve has credibility with me and I trusted him. And so we put it in. The product totally exceeded my expectations. It has added to the curb appeal of the house tremendously. I get all kinds of positive input from my neighbors about how nice it's turned out.
The opportunity I see with Mow Lines is really pretty endless, like most of ForeverLawn products. ForeverLawn is kind of a special artificial turf company, and this product fits right in with that model. The wow factor on Mow Lines, when I first unrolled the first roll, was pretty amazing. Kind of blew me away. After 18 years of doing it, it takes a lot, but this product surely did it.
The Mow Lines product, it really has a totally natural look to me. There's nothing more exciting to me than I get up in the morning and I go out fairly early, 6 or 6:30, and get coffee. And when you look across the lines and you look across the grass itself, it looks totally natural on these summer mornings. It is, I know it sounds funny, but it really makes you feel good. If you're in the market for synthetic turf of any kind, there's no question that I would recommend this product to anyone that has a desire for a great looking product and to improve the look of their lawn. It's worth the money that you put into it. I'm grateful to Steve and ForeverLawn for the great improvement in my house.